This video will cover transfer activities from various surfaces. First is transfer from floor to low mat. Patient is sitting in side sitting on the floor. He will be brought into kneel sitting and then into kneel standing position. One upper extremity is supported on the low mat. He will be then shifted to half kneeling. Therapist will change his position so that his one lower extremity is down on the floor and one is on the mat. He will grasp from the waistband and pivot the patient on the lower extremity to bring into sitting position on the mat. Next is transfer from higher to lower surface in forward and backward direction. Low stool will be in front of the mat. Therapist will grasp dorsum of the foot and will ask the patient to sway forward and backward. Then the patient will lower the pelvis on the seat. Here strong upper extremities are required. In reversal of process, the person can lift the body and shift the pelvis on the higher seat from the lower seat. Next, transfer from high to low surface in sideward direction. Here one upper extremity will be supported on low seat by the side of the mat and the pelvis will be lifted and put on the low surface. Reversal of process will bring the patient to the low mat from the lower seat. Thank you for watching the video.